Hi, I'm Cara Barker, and I am the author of Hallelujahs and Hiccups. It is a 100-day devotional journal for everyone. I'm so excited about this book because you will find something special for you. In Hallelujahs and Hiccups, you are going to find inspiration, motivation, and time to reflect. You will even probably find your purpose. So throughout the book, you will see different small short stories, and then you will also have prayer prompts as well as scripture. You will also have an opportunity to journal. I truly believe when you are reading a book and you're engaging into a book, you want to have a space of reflection. So join me during this next 100 days in reading Hallelujahs and Hiccups.
Life is not a sprint, it's a marathon. During this race, we all have to go through different challenges, obstacles, and roadblocks. But take comfort in knowing you don't have to do life alone. Cara Barker's 100-day prayer journal, Hallelujahs and Hiccups, is packed with daily motivation and encouraging messages that will inspire you to reach your God-given potential. We will all experience hiccups in life, but it's how we respond to life's unexpected curveballs that will determine our ability to bounce back. Hallelujahs and Hiccups caters to women from all walks of life. Whether you're an executive in the corporate arena or a high school student, this daily dose of spiritual inspiration will help you navigate through life's daily challenges. Hallelujahs and Hiccups by Cara Barker. Order your copy today.